Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make faster your Windows 8.1 PC in just 7 steps. So let's get started. So the first step is screensaver. So first you go to your desktop and then right click on your desktop and go to personalize. After going to personalize, there are 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th box is screensaver. Click on it and don't select blank, select none. After selecting none, click apply and OK. Now the second step is disable startup apps. So what are startup apps? When you start your PC, there are some apps which are started automatically. These are called startup apps. So how to disable that unnecessary apps? Go to your text bar, right click on your text bar and click on Task Manager. By default, your Task Manager will be like this. So click on More Details and then click on Startup. After clicking on Startup, select the unnecessary app and click Disable. Disable the unnecessary apps. I have disabled them already. Close Task Manager. Now the third step is Registry Tweaks. Go to your internet browser and then go to my website. Now go to the More tab and select Downloads. Now scroll down until you see Make Faster Windows 8.1 PC. Now there is click here option in the blue text. Click on it. Now a MediaFire web page will open. Click on that green download button, which is only 1.9 KB. I will save it to my desktop. Now open that zip file and extract that folder Registry Tweaks collection to make Windows faster. After extracting, open that folder. Now run Registry Tweaks to make Windows faster. Click yes. Again click yes and click OK. Now there is a second regedit file. If you want to revamp or restore the default settings, you can run this regedit file. Now close this window. Now the fourth step is power options. First go to your Charms bar, Settings tab and click on Control Panel. After going to Control Panel, search in Control Panel Power. After searching the power, you will have a power option tab. Click on it. Now in preferred plans, select High Performance. Make sure you have ticked High Performance. After doing this, close this window. Now the fifth step is Disk Cleanup. Now go to your Windows Explorer and then right click on your main drive, means C, local disk C drive. Right click on that and go to Properties. Now there is a button Disk Cleanup. Click on it. Now a window will pop up. In that window, tick all these files. Make sure you tick all this. Now click on OK. Now click on delete files. It will clean up the unnecessary files or junk files, you can say, from your local disk C. It will take few minutes. This process will not clean your any personal documents or files like photos and videos. It will clean only the unnecessary files. So don't think that it will clean my whole PC. No, it's not like that. It will clean only the junk files. Okay, so now this cleanup process is completed. You will see a slight difference in the used space of your local disk C. Okay, now close this PC. Now the sixth step is disable animations. So for that, again go to control panel by your Charms bar, settings, control panel, and then go to system and security, and then go to system. After that, go to advanced system settings. Now close this system window, and in system properties, under performance, click on settings. Now select custom. I have disabled some animations. After doing this, click OK. OK. Now the seventh and last step is scan and update. So now go to your start, click on this down arrow, and then search for Windows Defender. Now click on Windows Defender. Now click on Scan Now and go to Update tab and click on Update button. After the scanning process and the update completes, then close Windows Defender and go to Charms bar, settings, power, and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you will see better results in the performance of your PC. So this was my tutorial on how to make faster your Windows 8.1 PC. If it's helpful, so don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions or queries, ask in comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.